There are so many cars. It's hard to find an available space. I feel so bad.
I will introduce a product for you, Parking Bird, which can solve the parking problem and also can be an interactive communication tool. It includes 3 functions: mood reflection, mood relief, and mood communication. The first function is mood reflection. The color of the bird can be changed from yellow to white according to the parking time, so that it can reflect the mood of drivers. As we can see, he looks so frustrated because he cannot find out a parking place. It may lead to late to class or delay some important things. Parking Bird can play some soft music when the pressure comes from upside to relieve drivers' anxiety.
Hi, is anyone nearby? Don't come to parking 7. My parking bird is gonna be right.
Parking Bird can receive voice through the input equipment located in the 2 sides of this product. It can be used to share information as well as chat with others to kill time.